To make aroma or scented candles, you need to infuse them with some pleasant fragrances. To achieve this, you can use either essential oils or fragrance oils. But what's the difference between essential oils and fragrance oils? Let's check out. Essential oils are 100% natural aromatic compounds extracted directly from plant materials like flowers, leaves, stems, bark, and fruits through methods like distillation or cold pressing. Fragrance oils are not natural. These oils are made in a laboratory designed to emit various fragrances. They are of two types, natural and synthetic fragrance oils. Synthetic fragrance oil is made from compounds that are also laboratory made, whereas natural fragrance oil is made from natural compounds that are then processed and modified in the lab. Essential oils are more volatile, which means they evaporate quickly when exposed to heat. Fragrance oils are volatile too, but less volatile than essential oils. Essential oil candles don't retain aroma for long and have a subtle scent. Fragrance oil candles hold scent for a longer period of time and are stronger than essential oils. Quality essential oils are often pricey. Fragrance oils, on the other hand, are not that expensive. Since essential oils are natural, they don't pose any health concern. In fact, they are used in aromatherapy to help alleviate headaches and nausea. They are also helpful in stress reduction and improving sleep quality. Fragrance oil, on the other hand, contains phthalates and can be harmful. The choice between fragrance oils and essential oils in candle making depends on personal preferences and the desired outcome. Fragrance oils offer a wide variety of scents and strong fragrance performance, while essential oils provide a more natural and potentially therapeutic options. Many candle makers use a combination of both types of oils to create unique and enticing scents in their candles. It is always a good practice to consider the potential health impacts of all the ingredients you choose for candle making. Now, here are a few things to remember. The fragrance used for candles should always be oil based, not water based. You cannot use perfume to scent your candles. Add from 6% to 10% fragrance oil. This is called fragrance load. 6% fragrance load will give you subtle scent, while 10% fragrance load will give you strong scent. Adding fragrance oil temperature should be from 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. After adding fragrance, stir for about half of 1 minute so that the scent blends well with the wax. You can create your own blends by mixing together different fragrance oils or essential oils. Now let's move on to the next lesson, which is on candle dyes.